Mike! Mike! Time to pull port. Hey, how's it going, everyone? Good afternoon. Sunday night, guys. Great to see y'all back again. I hope y'all having a great weekend so far. All right, fellow traders, it's time to trade. We are back here yet again. Yeah, I'm going to be using M&Q to kind of get into a trade. All right, guys, I'm kind of leaning more for a little bit of a bounce in this market. Potentially back into at least the 188 to 200. Right? I don't know. I just kind of feel like, we get a little bounce. Just based off the 30 minutes chart here, it kind of feel like, we got a nice little bounce off that $25,000. That was definitely a major key level of a support, and we curled back up. We kind of had a little bit of descending wedge here, a little bit of a deeper pullback here on a Friday afternoon, but yeah, I mean, I still think, we at least try to, maybe maybe a little bit of a gap down, maybe back into the 124, and that's like 20 points away from where we are now. But then that gets bought, and we try to get a bounce back into the 200 area, and that would be the pivot rejection there. So right again, so this is what I kind of feel like, we may try to do. So I'm gonna try and look to see the price action right at the start. So this is where I am right now. All right, so we'll see, guys. I may have to end up, scalping the trade. I may have to end up scalping the trade, guys. We may even consolidate here, right, in this range. So we'll see how it goes. Good afternoon, everybody. We've got a funded next giveaway happening right now as I speak. The instruction is by the Streamlab. Just type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate with a ticket on it. It's going to be the 25K account giveaway. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading tonight. If not, it's also not a bad idea to kind of sit back and relax, right? into tomorrow. I'm gonna try and do a lot of scalping today if I can, right? I'm gonna try my level best not try to what do you call this? Try to hold my trades for longer than it really needs to. So we'll see how it goes. Oh my god. How's it going, everyone? I hope you all had a great weekend. Guys, it's Sunday night. It's still on the weekend mode. The weekend isn't over yet, so enjoy what you can. Before we start the real trading session tomorrow, that's the not Globex ASIA, the real cash open, and that starts tomorrow. Depends where the market opens today. That's right. Might scalp. Adam B, what up, man? Van Gint. It's Shikimaru. What is going on? Shikimaru. It's Shikimaru. Are you Japanese? By any chance? Mustafa Ibrahim in the house. What up, man? Bangdi Frog. Kev Low in the house. Freddy Benevi. Benevideo. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but whatever it may be, great to see you here again. Calpster, what up, man? Desi Trading. Sean Hazel in the house. What up? T. Thomas. B. Adam. Monica in the house. Tommy. Oh, three ice. Three ice. Space. Justin Rod in the house. Yo, what up, man? LDY. Keboogie. All right, guys. Vinny Lee in the house. Trader 007. John 2025. Kesulayman. What is going on, man? Donna here in the house. Marcel. Bowser. Profit Factor. All right, guys, man. Everybody, welcome back here tonight. Great to see y'all back again. All right, we've got 8 more minutes, man. How was everybody's weekend so far? How was everybody's weekend go so far? All right, yeah, we had a lot of news coming in on the weekend. Of course, started off with the Project X issue. I'm not gonna go too much in details of what I think about the Project X. Honestly, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter to me. Maybe a little bit, but not as much anymore, to be honest. I kind of feel very comfortable trading all the other platforms. I may try to expand my portfolio trading on my Quantower, because I've been kind of like, you guys know, last year I've been trading Quantower only, and I hated trading Tradevate. And today, here I am trading a lot of Tradevate accounts. So I may try to push back, try to put my attention into Quantower and Tradevate mostly. And then, you know, I mean, if Project X is gonna go to Top Step, it honestly doesn't really matter to me anymore. If you asked me 3 months ago, I would have been a little concerned, but not anymore. But anyways, guys, great to see y'all back again on a Sunday night. It's always a fun day to be trading, right? A calm before a storm. Ooh, baby. All right, guys. Let's take a look at the chat here. Trader Adu, what up? 44 X Punisher in the house, man. Waiting for all the weekend. Yeah, man, we got a lot of news. All right, so I wonder how that's really gonna kind of play out, right? I kind of feel like there's also some other news, right? There is a news that I think the US is sending a lot of vessels. Is it called vessels? I don't think it's called vessels. To Venezuela. So I don't know how that's gonna kind of play out. Yeah, and a bit of a tension between tension between China and Japan. This could be another setup for a bearish, maybe bearish sentiment in this market. Is this market set up for Nvidia earnings? So right, so we got kind of also next week is going to be a big week, right? We've got, I think, Fed minutes. Of course, you guys know Fed minutes is really important. How that's going to kind of change. Are we going to get another interest rate cut, right? I don't know if you guys remember, but a few weeks ago when we had, well, not even a few weeks ago, I think it was last week, when Fed, a bunch of the Fed members said we don't need rate cuts in December. Guess what happened? The market started to tank. It kind of shaked up a lot of bulls. And so we're gonna get a Fed minutes this week. I don't know exactly what date, but when we get the Fed minutes this week, make a note, guys. We are going to see definitely a lot of volatility step in. And then on top of that, we got Nvidia earning. Is that on Wednesday? I think Nvidia earning on Wednesday, if I'm not wrong, right? Nvidia earning on Wednesday, and then we have do we have the government shutdown? Of course, delayed a lot of reports, right? I think it's related to jobs report. They're all coming in this week. I think Fed not releasing data is no good. Yeah. Dan Amon's Fed minutes are the meeting notes from the last FOMC, but there's no rate decision in November. But I mean, we're gonna see how the probability of the rate cuts in December is gonna kind of fluctuate, right? On that Fed report, I think maybe, I'm not sure. I think that's what it is. I think that's definitely gonna move the market, in my opinion. And of course, you got Nvidia earning. Is that gonna be a perfect time to get some really, really hot deals from the market? I would love to see some hot deals, man. I'm tired of the silly little offers that we've been getting so far, to be very honest with you. So I'd love to see some really crazy, the real Black Friday offers, guys, man. Come on. Come on. The firms got to step up here, right? Like 72% off. Like, come on. Let's get some real hot offers, guys. Let's step up, guys. 25, 55% off. Let's go. Big is under 100,000. Honestly, I would like to see more dump in this market, to be honest. Me personally, I'm just not happy that we've been just keep ripping. And you know, there's a lot of new traders. I think they kind of stepped into this market like last year, thinking that they've never seen a pullback in their lifetime, right? Because they're fairly new in this trading journey, and then they're kind of like panicking. I've already noticed quite a lot of traders panicking, going, okay, well, it's the end of the world. Oh, well, we are only down like so much. Come on, relax, man. Relax. Nvidia up like what? 1,300%? Come on. Relax, everybody. Peter Tail dump all these Nvidia. Oh, well. I mean, Nvidia, I'd love to see. Yeah, I mean, seriously, I mean, these are like a rocket launcher. Nvidia, come on. I'm on a daily chart here. Let's take a look. Yeah, Nvidia, look. Nvidia just last year, April. It's not even last year, April. This year, April, we're at 97. We're not right now at 190. That's times 3. So we got a little pullback down. It's not even a major pullback, by the way. A small little pullback, that's literally about $10. And it's like the world is ending. Come on. Like, you know what? I would love to see this thing back down into the 148s. I don't even gonna get it though. We may get a squeeze towards the end of the year. Who knows? We'll see how that goes. It's gonna be a lot of fun here. And by the way, my trade of 8, I don't know, it's the coincidence, but my trade of 8, I had to fix all my trade of 8 because the chart all messed up, guys, man. All the chart is different looking. I definitely have a little problem. Anyways, guys, we are back here again. We're gonna be trading. We'll start the day trading the take profit trader, and then we'll move to everything else if I feel comfortable with the trades that I made with take profit trader. We'll start off the day with TPT and we'll go from there, guys. I'm on a 200 tick chart on the left hand side and a 30-minute chart on the right hand side. And short term, I'm kind of looking for a little bit of a bounce back up. We'll see if we get it, guys. Good luck, everybody. Go one more minute, guys. One more minute. Less than 30 seconds, guys, to see the Globex Asia start. Cocochini, what up, man? What is going on? Kiwodi. Nice name. Justin Wright. Might drop MNQ and open, guys. All right, man. 10 more seconds, guys. I'm very excited to see how this market's gonna kind of play out right now.
The market is open. The market is open.
Wow, look at this, guys. We are getting that first little dump picture.
Order filled.
Oh my
Order
god,
filled.
look at this dumpage, guys. This is unreal. Oh my god, I'm down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, guys, I'm down a lot. Hold on one second, guys. I've got $1,700 drawdown. All right, I'm gonna have to be a little careful here, guys. A little careful.
Order filled.
6 contracts. I will exit this trade on a pullback into 27 area. Oh, that's a long ways to go. Holy, man. Wow, man. We're getting a first initial pullback here, guys. I'm down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. That first initial pullback, we got to pull back all the way back into the 57 from 147, guys. Literally, we're about 100 points pulled back. No, it's 100 points pulled back. Not really. Yeah, it's not looking good at all, man. Yeah, it's not looking good at all, guys. Down into the 71, guys. Let's see if you get a deeper pullback here. Yeah, man, it's not looking good right now. Wow, I've got $1,000 drawdown now. Incredible. The RSI pretty oversold now. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pop here, or we just keep dipping here down. I'm not really sure. We could just keep dipping here right now, guys. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Incredible. Well, I mean, all right, guys, I'm gonna have to exit that trade.
Field.
Wow.
Order filled.
Oh no, shoot. Supposed to be long. That's a mistake.
Order filled.
Oh man, what a bounce right at the low. Exited my trade there. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Yeah, I'm holding off right now as we speak. Not sure, man. That was a deep pullback. I mean, obviously we started off at 140 area. Well, we literally just gave 100 points, man. Holy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hold this though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see, guys. I'm shorting. I'm shorting right now, guys. I'm shorting at 48 area. I'm looking for a pullback maybe into the 976. I think we could crack underneath the $25,000, guys, man. This could be another leg to the downside. I don't know. Or do we just get a bounce off this level now?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Not a good trade.
Order filled.
This could be this area is where I'm kind of watching. God, man, just right. So there we are, guys. Let's see what this market does right at this level now.
Order filled.
We could just get a bounce, of course, but we're not like extended to the down just yet from an RSI standpoint. So we got a view up here at 63. Look, I've got other charts right now without VWAP. I have no idea what the hell is going on with the Strativate, but and we are getting a bounce back into the VWAP now. Wow.
Order filled.
Incredible, guys. All right, I just got played by the market, of course. This market looking pretty wonky right now. Not a good start Sunday. Yeah, I don't have enough drawdown on this either, so
Order filled.
we'll see. I think this is gonna get blown here.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. It got blown. Oh well. I gave it a try. Kind of sucks, but
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll put a hard stop here now. What a way to start. Wow, look at this stupid bounce back up again. Incredible. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's kind of wonky.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
How do we get rid of this? Price level. Fill the orders. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, there goes a little bit of rejection of that 84.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What a trap here, guys. This trap is unreal. Let's see if we could try to get a bounce back into the 100 area, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We get a bit of a bull flag here, kind of play out, guys. We'll see. So far, it's kind of looking like we got a nice, beautiful bounce off that low. Now it's kind of like to shake everybody out, I guess, including StockTiger on that name. All right, guys, let's see if we can hold this level, or do we get a rejection of this area now? All right, so far looking pretty good. Try to get a bounce back into, I guess, 130 area. All right, this market trying to hold. Yeah, I wasn't definitely expecting that sort of a pullback all the way back into $25,000 area, right? We did talk about maybe I would prefer to see a little bit of a pushback up again, but that was such a deep of a pullback, guys, man. That was literally 100 points pullback right at the start, and that's the problem. This market is definitely very volatile, right? Even during Globex ASIA now. So it's like, obviously, when you have 100 points pullback here, your account's not going to survive, unfortunately. Crazy. What? It's really crazy, guys. All right, so here I am, guys. We are here. I'm trying to look to see what this market's going to do now. Do we start to get a pullback here down? We may. All right, guys, don't forget to smack the like. We've got a giveaway happening here. I will do that at around 180 likes. And yeah, and what else is there? I did 2 trades. I lost one, and I beat one, and I'm kind of waiting for my 3rd trade of the day. I don't know. We could see a bounce here, right? I don't know. We'll wait and see, guys. We got a VWAP here. We may try to pull back into the VWAP. I'm not really sure. This bounce seems like we could try to get a bounce back into the 130, I think, right? We could get a bounce. I have this wick here that we had. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try and get it right now. All right, guys. I've got 15 contracts now. We'll see, guys. We'll see how it goes. Hey, my stop here is gonna be 78. Absolutely. I ain't gonna wait for this. 17 contracts right now. We'll see. There.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. There we go.
Filled.
There we go. I've got 7 contracts now. Let's see, look to see if we can hold this back into the 130, guys. 130. It looks like a pretty nice little hold there. My stop here, 85 area. I'm probably at the VWAP, I would say. Right? Right at the VWAP, probably a good place to be. Yeah, I kind of like what I see so far.
Order filled.
This is what I was kind of expecting. We got a big dump, man, right at the open. I definitely wasn't expecting this sort of a pullback here. Unfortunately. In Q to 27,000. Oh man, that's I mean, I would be fine. I would be fine with 27,000. I don't know if you're gonna get there. I know a lot of analysts kind of feel like, you know, we are going to see a bounce. Whatever pullback we had so far, it's truly a viable opportunity, and that's what a lot of Wall Street analysts are kind of saying. But I don't know. Maybe not. You know, maybe we try to dump, and kind of like get all the weak bulls out of the system. And the market tries to blink of an eye, bounce like 10 points, and then get all the bulls go, oh my god, what the heck did I do? You know, I've already got a friend in Korea now. He's down 20%. Yeah, and this is a real true story, right?
Order filled.
I'll tell you guys, man. I'll tell you. So his investment year and a half ago was $100,000, right? And that was purely from his what do you call this? His pure investment value, right? He put $100,000. By 2 months ago, I think he was up like 100%. So he had $200,000. He thought he owned the world. A few days ago, I spoke to him and he said he's down about 25. I think he's down about 25% or something like that, because he lost about 30 to 40. Well, initially he started off losing like $25,000, and he's like, you know what? I'm gonna buy the dip, right? Every dip was bought, and it really kind of worked out pretty nicely until the most recent event. He ended up, because his investments were not mainly on the large cap stocks. He was on the mid cap, right? A lot of ETFs and a lot of mid caps and a lot of smaller caps, right? So the market did not really move as much, and yet his stock that he owned were down about 25 to 30% already. So what he's kind of worried right now is that if this overall market starts to pull back, then what is going to be with his stocks? You know what I mean? Like his stocks that he's holding right now are all small in the mid caps, right? And if the market pulls back a few points, you guys know what that means, right? The mid caps are just going to flush down. So he's already lost like 25 to 35% of the value. So if we get another, say, 6 to 7 points pullback in the overall market, his stocks are going to be down like literally 40%, extra additional 40%. So that's going to be like a major, massive problem. Yeah. So there's a lot of traders panicking. He's a swing trader. He kind of holds it for about a year or two. So he buys a low and sell high. Obviously, that's what everybody would love to do. But, I mean, he bought a whole bunch last year. He made a lot of money. But he held, like, he did not really take a lot of profits, right? He held, and then now it's down. Literally gave back like 30 or 40% that he gained until 2 months ago. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. But there's a lot of traders like that right now, kind of like going, okay, well, what the hell? You know, what the heck? We spent like a good 24 months, well, not 24 months, good 16 months, and we were holding to our positions, but they're down 20 to 30% right now. So it's like, oh well. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading, I am up right now. I'm still holding this. Oh man, look at this wick, man. This is not even funny anymore. Look at this wick, guys. Are you kidding me? Look at this wick. Oh my god. Man, this wick is unreal, man. Guess what, guys? That was literally 100 points a wick, right? 100 points. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if this wick wants to retest here, to be honest. I just want to get this account to over $2,000 of total profit. So let's try to add some more here.
Order filled.
We could see a little breakout of this area now. I'll try to retest 150s, I guess. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, maybe.
Order filled.
We'll see. Yeah, you just never know, man. We could just literally dump for all you know, man. We dumped 100 points and now we're getting 100 points bounced back up again, so.
Order filled.
All right, so we are back here trying to see if I can hold this, but man, this looks squeezy. All right, so let's see if we can retest a 150, 160 area now. Wow, what a push here, guys. Well, incredible. Holy. Yeah, bull's definitely looking very, very strong, guys. I'm going to exit this trade right now, guys. I'm going to exit this trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, I did this trade. Maybe looks like we overextended to the upside, man. You've got to be kidding, guys. All right, well, let's move on to my other account trade. We'll I have no idea, man, what this market's trying to do. Is everybody having a great weekend so far? How y'all making out, guys? Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, I definitely got a little bit of a punch in my face right at the start, but I think that's a good thing. I love getting punched in the face right at the start, so it's a wake-up call to kind of get better at my trades towards the rest of the day and also the rest of the week. It's a start. It's a new first day of the trading week. And sometimes I like to get punched right now. Right now, just give me that punch, right? Wake me up. Yeah, my trade of 8 is all messed up right now, man. All the charts are looking very different now. It's incredible. I don't even know what to tell you. And I don't even have, oh, I have gold here. What is gold doing? Is gold trying to get a bounce? Is that what it is? I'm not sure, man. Look at my gold chart. My gold chart looks ugly. What the heck, man? Where's that the rest of the chart here? I can't see that. Well, even ES, I can't even see the ES chart. You've got to be kidding, guys. Yeah, messed up, absolutely messed up. Well, I guess the only thing that really matters at the end of the day for me is NQ, so as long as NQ is working, I'm okay with it. Tiger, what happened to your 150k funded account? Or weren't you following me? I blew that I blew that account before last week. I blew that account after getting a payout. All right, guys. The market trying to hold? Could be. Market trying to hold. We only like 25 minutes past Globex Asia, which is obviously... I mean, Globex Asia... it's tough to trade to begin with, but really lately it's been... lately we've seen that volatility, which is fine. Like, you know, we just got to find some ways to keep Globex Asia a little more consistent. Because it's hard when you have one day like 10 points move and one day 100 points move, the expectation you know, it's gonna be hard for you to trade, right? It's hard to trade. That's one of the reasons why it's really hard to trade the Globex Asia. Obviously, it's one of the reasons because it's very fluid, but also because one day it's like high, one day it's really low. You know, it's like 10 points, one day it's like 2,000 points. It's like, you know what, really based off the news, right? Anyways, guys, let's take a look at this market right now. We just kissed at 154 now. All right, so we are pulling back here 143 now. Yeah, it was a pretty wild open. I wasn't expecting that's kind of I mean, it's a very abnormal kind of a start, right? It almost kind of set a tone on how this week is going to look like, right? I think it's really a time where we have to be extra careful, because when you have this kind of weird price action during Globex Asia, it kind of set a tone on how the week is going to be, or at least the very next day, right? It's always been like that, right? We've seen that plenty of times over and over again. Every time we go, oh, what the heck is going on Globex Asia? And then guess what? The next day is what's going to do. It's going to be really, really wild, right? So I think it's kind of setting a tone on how it's going to be in the next day or two. And of course, we got some big earnings. Is Nvidia going to save the day? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's gonna set a fireworks. Yeah, absolutely. But honestly, I don't know. Maybe the volatility is kind of said and done now. What is that, man? This is Globex Asia, guys. Is that even normal? This is like a bigger volatility than we actually had in New York. Right, this is New York yesterday. This is New York on Friday, guys. Not even close, right? This is all we had in New York. And guess what we just did now? Dumped over 100 points and ripped over 100 points. I'm 1 down and I'm 2 up. So 2 good trades and 1 bad trade. But, I mean, at the end of the day, it's not a good looking chart, guys, man. This is a huge volatility that we are actually getting now, right? We're sitting at 145 to 150 area now. We're kind of holding this zone. So let's try to see if we can actually hold this and try to get a reversal bounce back into the 168. And once we rip through that 168, we could see this thing get back into where we just actually talked about, right? In that pivot here, 212 area, right? And that would be a nice little level of resistance. 212, sorry. Right? 212 is right up there. So it's going to get pretty interesting. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys, in this area now for sure. I don't know if we have what it takes to get a balance, but we may try to retest the low as well, guys. Do not count that out, right? We got a massive pullback and a massive bounce, and we kind of held, but we got a rejection of that level 2 now. So we'll see, guys. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Oh dear. Okay. All right, so we're sitting at 130 now. We are gonna have to wait and see. I may try to short this bad boy. Oh,
Order
look at
filled.
that bounce, guys, man. Oh, that's a strong bounce we are getting, guys. I'm gonna exit this 1 second.
Order
I'm only at
filled.
1 micro, so let's reset, regroup this again. We got a new candle on a 30 minutes chart, and that looks. Let's see how we kind of form. So far, it's kind of like indecisive candle now. So see if we could get if we could get a bounce back into 150s, then I think we have a chance of a stronger bounce back up again. But guys, I'm gonna try and load
Order
this.
filled. Order filled.
With 5 mini contract, so 5 micro. I want to place my stop here in that 120s. All right, this is where I am now. And then once we get a confirmation, I'm going to try and add a little more. But for now, I've got 5 contracts. And this is a fresh new account. We'll see, guys. Let's see what this market does now. I've got five micros so far. 150, here it comes. Sean Hazel, what up, man? Forex Elite. Dan Trader, bear trap. Could be a bad trap, yeah, absolutely. I don't deny that. Could be a little bear trap, yeah. Could be. All right, so here we are, guys. The market trying to hold the 140s. We just kind of held the 130s. I'm gonna try and man, I like this.
Order filled.
I like this to the long.
Order filled.
All right, guys, there we go. Well, I'm gonna probably end up exiting this trade if we get a pull back into the 130s, right? All right, guys, we are getting that rapier face off, kind of a bounce.
Order filled.
All right,
Order
guys, we're down
filled.
to
Order
10
filled.
contracts now. Bounce back into the 170s, guys. My target. 170s, 180s, guys. 178, 180. All right, there we go, guys. So see. All right, don't tell me you're gonna pull back here now.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm still holding. Let's see if we got some juice here for a little bounce back up again. All right, I've got 9 contracts here. 9 contracts. Up. Yeah, I mean, if we dump here, if we get a candle like, you know, a big massive candle, pull back here into the 130s, I'll probably just exit my trade. At least I'm still up slightly, so I have a little bit of room to kind of hold this, but I'll exit if we get down into the 130s. All right, guys, I'll exit this trade.
Order filled.
Whatever, I'm down $2. I was up. I don't know, man. It's kind of like, yeah, it's a bit too choppy here. I think I kind of need this market to kind of decide what he wants to do. It almost kind of got a nice little balance off that 140s, but then we're kind of retesting the 140 again now. But the 30 minutes chart tells me a little more bullish, but of course, what are all this, man? Financials and ticker symbol 6J, that's Japan, Japanese yen. Energy, grain, meat, meatballs. And what else is there? Softs. Man, there's so many metal, there's so many raw material futures that we can kind of trade. It's incredible how much there is. And you can trade currencies, you can trade the financials. There's so many. Crypto as well. Look at, oh man, we got a nice little pop here. Let's see, guys, if we can hold this. Well, the Bitcoin's down, right? Back into the $94,000. That's literally about, we're negative so far in the Bitcoin. I mean, the market overall kind of showing signs of a relative strength here. Maybe a bounce back into 200 is where I kind of feel like this market now wants to go. Let's try to see, guys.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna try and add to long here now.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I went a little aggressive now. I kind of like what I see. I've added some more 14 contract. Let's see if we get a little pop here back into the 180, 190 now.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm peeling profits as we get a little pop here, guys. The problem is we could just like pull back like all of a sudden, right? That's the problem with this Globex Asia. I kind of feel like we got a little momentum here to the upside,
Order
but
filled.
again,
Order
just gotta be
filled.
okay. I'm down to 10 contracts now.
Order
I've
filled.
got 9 contracts now. Not
Order
bad,
filled.
not bad.
Order
Kind of got what I
filled.
need. I'm quickly taking some profits, guys.
Order filled. Order
I don't
filled.
know. All right, let's see, guys, if we're gonna get a nice little push back into the 190 now. If not, I'd probably exit at 159, 158 area. That's where we got this nice little trend line support. And the EMA support as well. So guys, 200 area, final take profit there. Fiber Splice Gold, what up, man? Bob, everybody, welcome back, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Do not forget to smack the like, guys. We got funded next 25K legacy account giveaway here happening here tonight, right, guys? Live. Thank you, y'all. Thank you guys for being here on a Sunday night, on a weekend, guys. Weekend, you know. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. Oh my God, guys, this is the biggest. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding! Somebody help! Somebody help! I'm freaking annoyed. I'm trying to look for that entry where it's kind of gonna get me that nice little push back up again, and it's like it's not doing that. Every time we try, it's getting that little fake pullback. You know what I mean? So I'm like, you know what? Oh, dang trader, man! Stop watching my coffee. By the way, it's not. Well, yeah. Tim's coffee, guys. It's the best, #1 coffee in the world. #1 coffee in the world. Team Horton. Yeah, I mean, so far it's okay. We are kind of getting rejection of that 180, right? So I don't know. We're pretty oversold too. So I don't know, man. I just want to be a little careful, right? That's all. I kind of like this setup for long, but yeah, man. I drink too much coffee. I think that's one problem I got. I don't know. What do you guys like? Let me just do a little poll here. I want to find out how much coffee do you guys drink a day. Let me find out how many coffee you guys drink in a day. Oh my God, let's forget about this. I'm gonna end the poll there. Overall trend biased. We got over half the traders here are thinking that we get a balance in this overall market, guys, today, which is great. Nothing bad about it, right? All right, guys, I'm doing a little poll here, guys. Everybody. Well, let's put our attention back into the coffee for a moment, for a few seconds of your time, everybody. Let's do a little poll, find out what you guys think. I cannot do the poll for me. If you ask me, I'm probably 4 to 6 cups, right? So, wow, I can't believe that. Google up 5% post market. Really? Google up 5%? Really? I didn't realize that. And I don't think they're up. Are they? I don't see Google up. Bowser Trader, what up, man? How's it going? Yeah, I don't think they're up. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, a little ejection here off that high. We'll see, guys, if we can hold this now. I mean, we could try to retest the 150s. That doesn't mean that we're bearish, right? We're just getting a little pullback, you know, profit taking, you know, a little minor pullback down to 150 is not the end of the world. Still overall bullish. We can actually get a hold in that 150 zone, and that's the nice little support area. So wow, we have a lot of traders drinking a lot of coffee here, right? I'm definitely very surprised. 2 to 3 cups a day. It's half the traders saying that. Well, we also have like 24%, which is quarter of the traders drinking 4 to 6 cups a day, man. That's crazy. Google at 287 post market. Really? I did not see that. I did not see that. All right, guys, I think this market really kind of slowed down. Sunday night trading is the beer trading. Yeah, really, man, that's great. Yeah, I think we kind of slowed down here. Not moving at all. 165 kind of hold. Vinny Lee bought about $5 billion worth of Google, really? Yeah, so I mean, honestly, it really boils down to, I think, Nvidia earning at the end of the day. I think that's really gonna, you know, Nvidia earning. I'm not expecting a bad earning, to be honest. But I think based on the rest of the earnings that we got in the last couple of weeks, kind of tells me that we really have got to have a really strong earning from Nvidia, because a good earning it's not gonna cut it, right? I think the investors are not gonna be okay with just good earnings. You know what I mean? We gotta see some significant surprise as far as the guidance is concerned, and on top of that, the earnings has to kind of like prove itself, and not just okay or good earning. It's got to be really good, right? Because we haven't really seen any pullback in Nvidia, by the way. Let's take a look at Nvidia, guys. No pullback at all, right? Nvidia, we're high at 212. We're only down to like 190 now, guys. So I don't know, man. We haven't got any pullback here at all in Nvidia. So it's like, do we have more room? Why don't we just take the Nvidia to maybe $20,000? How about that? And let's just kill all the bears. I can't get any more frustrated than what we see in Nvidia. I mean, it's a great company, but so we gotta have a really surprise earning come out. If not, I don't know, man. We could, if you just take a look, guys, we got a nice, beautiful trend line support here, waiting in that 140, right? I kind of really like this 150 to 140, 130 area as a next level of major support. So I don't know, man. We may get a little surprise push to the upside initially, and then maybe it starts to tank all the way down. So we'll see, guys. I mean, but I'd love to see. I think it's kind of healthy to kind of see the Nvidia pull back here down to the 140s, right? I mean, what's the worst it's gonna get, right? I mean, probably a profit taken right at the over $200 area, even after split. So this is a pretty expensive stock, for all you know. But anyways, guys, I think Wednesday, I can't wait to see the Wednesday earning come out. That's gonna be pretty crazy. All right, guys. Now, wow, it's weird how we just literally pulled back into the $25,000, right? And we just literally bounced 168 points. Incredible. All right. It's really telling you how this market's got to be tomorrow morning. Wow. 168 points bounce, guys. Nothing can survive in that sort of a bounce that we got early. What the heck is this weird guy? Oh my god. Weird guy. It's like, oh my god. Anyways, guys. I like this, guys. I like the, oh, hold on, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We'll see if we can get a nice little pop here.
Order filled.
I don't know. I mean, maybe we, oh my god, look at that dump. Incredible StockTiger. Well, I wasn't chasing. I was like, maybe there was a little confirmation that I thought I got, but I guess I was wrong. God, I hate this sometimes. Anyways, I'm down. Well, incredible. Oh, what a chop here, guys. Incredible chop. Let's see if this hold now. It looks weak. I don't know what that pop was all about. I thought that was a little bit of a confirmation. Maybe we try to, maybe I should have kind of waited. I don't know. We'll see what you get, guys. All right, guys, I'll exit this trade. I'll exit this trade. I'm down just to $20. I mean, I might as well just kind of wait. You know what I mean? Maybe it's a good thing I kind of waited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm looking for the momentum, man. Look at this. Oh my god, man. I mean, seriously, I'm so thankful that I exited that trade. I would have been absolutely most monster destroyed. I have no idea. I have no idea what this market's trying to do. I'm not happy. Oh man, that would have literally destroyed StockTiger right there. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna hold off, man. This, it's too choppy right now. It's too choppy. All right, let me just take a look at how much likes do we have here to start our giveaway, guys. I'm not gonna close the entries now. I'm gonna close the entries, guys. No more. You guys can't enter anymore. Oh, Japanese GDP came in. Oh my god, guys. I have no idea, man. I had no idea. All right, no more entries, guys. No more entries. Oh, what a bounce, man. Yeah, I didn't realize there's Japanese GDP happening right now. But again, I mean, I don't like it's kind of hard to trade this price action for now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait and see. Yeah, I find it difficult to trade this. It's like probably been one of the more difficult day to trade now at this time of the day. Incredible. Anybody is trading gold? I don't know, man. The gold's pulling back here, right? The gold's pulling back. I don't know if I can trade gold. I'll be honest, man. I could trade gold. Yeah, it's I see a lot of you guys are actually long gold, right? I see silver, man. Silver is a killer monster. Silver, I don't know how you do that, man. Honestly, silver, you actually try to short gold or what? Is silver shorting or is it long? I don't know. I don't know what that means. Is it actually long in that trade? I don't even know how silver does it, but yeah, I mean, I want to be a little bit of a copycat and maybe try to go 5 mini contracts on the gold. I don't know, man. I wish I can do something like that, to be honest. I just don't. Obviously, number one, I don't have the balls to do that. I'll be honest. And on top of that, I don't even think my accounts got drawdown to kind of sustain this, right? 5 mini contracts. I don't know, man. How the heck do you do it? Nonetheless, I wonder what Silver's trying to do. Trying to go long or trying to short? I'm not really sure. That's crazy, though. Incredible. Let's take a look at the payouts, guys. Oh, yeah. We got Scalper taking $900 off that trade. Silver. Oh, that's the Japanese animation right there, guys. Incredible. You know what surprises me as well? It's obviously Quinn 37 Neon taking $5,000 off the Take Profit Trader Pro account. That's incredible, man. I wanted to let you know that that's an extremely great work that you've done. Incredible. And Annabelle taking $7,500 from Lucid Trading, man. How the heck do you guys do that? I don't know, man. I have no idea. However, I do know that you guys are great traders. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, Scalper taking $2,400. That was a known one because I do know that Scalper talked about this $2,400 earlier last week, but that's really good job though, Scalper. Good stuff. We got Quinian, another what? Man, that's a lot of payouts from Lucid Trading account. Incredible. Wow, Scalper taking another one with Lucid. What a nicely spread it across the different firms. And me, I've got I can request $3,000 a payout, but I haven't done that on this account. Because if I take this payout, this is gonna be my fourth one, and if this is gonna be a fourth payout, then we have a little problem with the live account. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to take a look and see what I want to do with it. Anyways, guys, good stuff, man. Good stuff. A lot of you guys are really banking lots and lots, taking a lot of payouts. Such an inspiration, guys. Good stuff. Anyways, we got a nice little pop here in this overall market, MNQ. But then now, let's see if we can actually hold this area now. Took a break. Pump, Sean Hazel, Pathfinder Plate. I read your story on your website about blowing a $13,000. No, I didn't blow 13,000 in one go. It was across many weeks, right? And eventually I found myself deep underwater, and then I honestly did not know what to do next because there was nobody there to kind of well, not asking to protect me, but at least to guide me in the right direction. I didn't even have a community at all. It was just me, myself, and my trading journey. It was very difficult. Yeah, it was very difficult. I had to kind of like navigate through this process myself. It's tough, right? It's tough. And if somebody tells you there's a little bit of a magic sauce that's gonna kind of change the world for you by taking a look at their course, it's a big mistake. But of course, some people are gonna learn it the hard way, right? Yeah, I kind of stopped trading for about a month or two when I kind of you know, when I finally got myself into a major debt. I stopped for a month or two, yeah. No magic sauce. The game is all about risk management position. Yeah, exactly. Seller days, man. That's a good good explanation there. But I mean, the more you try every day, right? And the more you show signs of improvements every single day, right? That itself is a huge accomplishment. And I tell you what, in few months down the road, you're gonna see yourself significantly a better trader, better disciplined, and overall a much better trader, right? And you're gonna slowly start to see some payouts, and that payout's gonna come. That doesn't mean that you're not gonna blow accounts during that process. You are, but it's just that you're just gonna lose a lot less, right? And spend a lot less, and get more payouts. And then you're gonna use your payouts to load in accounts to get more and more payouts. You know what I mean? So there's a little bit of a change in the cycle, which is bound to happen. Just need a little patience and time, right? If you want the payout now, right? If you're trying to passive belts to just trying to, you know, if you trying to get the payout right now, I just want my $1,500 tomorrow. If that's the goal, then I think it's not gonna last very long, to be honest. The one should never pay for the course. And that's true, man. Shut up and steak. Took a break for a week and made. Oh man, look at that. Rob Walsh, $4,200 after taking a little bit of a break, about a week. Yeah, I had to take a little break longer. I had to. I took a. Mine was deep underwater, man. I was in trouble because whatever I tried to do, it wasn't working, right? So I was very, very depressed. I was very, very disappointed at myself. Very demotivated as well, so. But yeah, and then I kind of refreshed myself, you know, regrouped. A month later, I came back. When I came back, guess what I did? I went with 1 or 2 accounts, that's it. 1 or 2 accounts, and I kept getting closer and closer, and that's when I kind of realized that, okay, well, I think I'm getting there now. And I kept not giving up. My edge is I don't give up. I guess that's a good thing. I don't know. I'm about to rip higher. Blue FX, all year September was nothing but losses. Literally blew every single account. Had to change something, and ever since October I've been getting almost weekly payouts. Blue FX, man, what a big, huge story there, man. I can't believe that it was a nightmare in September, and I wonder how you changed all of a sudden from like a nightmare into you know, consistent payout in October. How did you do that? I mean, yes, just insanity, Dust Trader. All right, guys, what is this market trying to do? Are we gonna get a pullback here? I'm getting tired of this nonsense. Oh man. Yeah, we could, like, looks like we want to dump and then we get a bounce. You know what I mean? This market's kind of like, let's take a look at the ES for a moment, but the ES is trying to get a bounce, right? ES trying to get a bounce. I kind of like ES to the upside, right? Some more room to the upside, I think, before we start to get a pullback. Maybe back into the 67, 76 area, right? And NQ, the same kind of thing. I think we talked about this, right? We talked about this pivot right at the start, right before this market actually ended up opening. Right, and we said, okay, well, we can actually hold and try to get a reversal pattern. We could see this thing get back into 200 area. All right, so I'm gonna be looking for a little pullback down and then try to go long here again, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's try to make some good trade now. Kind of tired of watching this market do nothing for now. Jeez, guys. The real Marine sniper. Hey man, thanks brother. Yeah, but I'm not 17 by the way. I kind of lied. I'm so sorry everybody. Somebody asked me when are you turning 18? I'm like, okay, well, that wasn't true. That wasn't true. Yeah, look at that. Profit factor says you're 20, right? Well, yeah, Blue FX. Yeah, I'm pretty close to 50 now, yeah. I'll be honest, man. Forgive me, everybody. Forgive me for that level of disappointment. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to 50 now. All right, what is this market gonna do? Does anybody know? I wonder if anybody know what this market's gonna do, man. Look at this wonky price action here. Yeah, I still think we pull back here into the 160. We'll see how it goes. If coffee gets tariffed, I'm gonna go to Mexico and buy a whole bunch of my coffee that I need. I can't live without a coffee. All right. And guess what? Mexico is not cheap anymore, by the way. Mexico is not cheap, man. You probably have to go deeper south into South America, maybe into Colombia to get a cheaper coffee now. Mexico's not cheap anymore. Oh my god, guys, man, what is the market trying to do? I just gotta get a bounce right now. It looks pretty bullish, right? I think we may end up trying to pierce through this and try to get back to the 200 area, right? I kind of like that zone. But maybe we try to pull back before we do that, right? Right? Maybe a pullback before we do that. Right? A little pullback down. And then try to pierce back up again. Right? This is what I kind of like. But again, maybe a minor little pullback if you can. Back into the 160s. Which would be nice. Right, we got a nice little level of support here, 150, 160 zone. So I'm gonna stay a little patient here. Look for a little pullback down. Oh, Edgar, man. Yeah, I mean, if somebody said that they put a tariff on the on coffee, so I was like, you know what? If that's the case, then obviously the coffee is gonna get a lot more expensive. So I've got to go to Mexico to grab a whole bunch of coffee myself. All right, guys. Now there we go, guys. 160 area. We're getting a little pullback down. You started past my take profit trade evaluation 2 days ago. I definitely got buy more accounts, so I don't tempt it. Yeah, I mean, try to get more payouts on that existing account before you load in more evals. To be honest, and that's what I would do. God, man, what is the market trying to do, guys? From 169. I'm looking for that little more pullback here into the 150s, guys. Let's see. Oh, we're a little bit overextended to the upside. A little bit overextended to the upside. So let's see if we get a little pullback down into the 150s now. This whole time I thought you were 17.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. Well,
order filled.
Oh, guys, man, we are getting a deep pullback
order
now.
filled.
I wonder if you're gonna hold this. We're pretty oversold now, back into 20s on RSI. So let's see. We got a view up here 120. May get a pullback here back into the 120. We could. Maybe we could even retest the low as well. I don't know. So far, I kind of like, yeah, I kind of like a bounce back up again, but we'll see, guys. I kind of like it to the upside, but again,
order filled, order filled, order
all right, guys,
filled.
I win 20 contracts now. Let's see. Yeah, well, a little bit. I went a little bit heavy. I'm like, you know what? Let's give it a shot at this. Wow, look at this price action, guys, man. It's just incredible. Bit frustrating, to be honest, but we'll see how it goes, guys. A bit annoyed. Man. What a nasty pullback here, guys, man. This is not looking good now.
Order filled.
Oh my god, is it going to be another pullback here? Like a deep pullback, just literally just giving everything back again to this market? Okay, let's see, guys. Where's the VWAP? Oh, VWAP at 125 area. My average here 158 now. All right, guys. I'll let you this trade. I just don't like everything that's going on right now, man. Oh my god, this price action is so frustrating, everybody.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. Incredible. Fuck. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, guys. Oh my god. Globex ASIA is making my day right now, guys. Incredible. Oh man. Dude.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, guys, let's see. The retest of VWAP area is where I'm going to be peeling
Order
the bulk of
filled.
my profits off the table.
Order filled.
My average is at, I think, 148, I think.
Order filled.
Now, what a garbage price action, man. Just not very happy with this overall. Even though I'm kind of winning this trade. Just not a happy camper with everything that's just going on right now with this price action. Globex ASIA, thank you
Order
so
filled.
much. You made my day.
Order filled.
All right, guys, let's see what happens now. Let's see, get a bounce or do we get a deeper of a pullback, man? Look at this, man. 100 points up, 100 points down, man. Oh, incredible, everybody. Wow. Woo, baby.
Order filled. Order filled.
Guys,
Order
exit that
filled.
trade.
Order filled.
Wow. 142 area, man. This incredible. Wow, it's very volatile, guys. I'll put it that way. It's very, very volatile. And now I've got to find a way to keep this account alive now, which is going to be crazy. Yeah, it's a really volatile, guys, man. It's not like I kind of like took it for granted on this price action, Globex Asia. Yeah. I wonder where this is gonna go, to be honest, though. I still think we
Order
push
filled.
down.
Order filled. Order
We'll
filled.
see. Yeah, it's definitely pretty interesting. To say the least. Yeah, I think trying to be over 5 contracts, I think it's like too much of risk, I'll be honest. I will exit this trade at 168, 167 area. This is probably an area I'm gonna have to exit this trade. Yeah, this is an area. Let's see if we get another deep of a pullback here down. Wow, look at this, guys. Let's see if we can
Order
actually
filled.
continue pulling
Order
back here.
filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna now look for that extension here, move to the downside, guys. I'll exit if you pop over this area now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down
Order
to 7
filled.
now, down to 6. Jeez, man. All right, guys, we are right at the VWAP now. Let's see if we get a. Oh my God, look at this follow through now to the extension down, back into the 100 area. Oh my mochaccino, guys, this is unreal. Unreal. Yeah, man. Samuel Price, you got a really good point. I agree. But this, yeah, I mean, it's not looking good. I mean, let's just be honest, right? It's not looking good now all of a sudden.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 4 now.
Order filled.
Now I just gotta find a way to try to, you know, scale my size and try to see if I can grab a little piece out of this trades that I'm making right
Order
now as we
filled.
speak.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm closing my trade now.
Order filled.
All right, I've just got one contract to kind of test the water. Oh, geez, man. Yeah, it's tough, guys. It's really tough to trade this price action, I'll be honest. A bit frustrating too because this has been a pretty volatile session, and yet I don't know, man. But I'm trying. I'm trying to see if I can get something out of this, guys. We're oh, Tokyo is open, by the way. Tokyo is open. Yeah, I would love to see this thing bounce back up again, guys, man. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna try and long here on a pullback. Let's see. Are we gonna pull back here? Maybe, yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm trying to go long here, guys. I'm trying to go long.
Order filled.
I've got 4 contracts now.
Order filled.
I've got 8 contracts now, guys. 8 contracts. Let's see. I'll exit this trade right in this VWAP area if you get a pullback down to that area now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know, man. I've got 5 contracts as we speak. I'm trying to see if we can actually retest the high now. Try to see if we can actually get a bounce back up again. We got a nice little beautiful support bounce in that 113. We got a VWAP bounce. Let's try to see if we can actually hold that area now. Oh my god, are we now gonna bounce off that level now? Looks like we are getting a pullback there.
Order filled.
Wow, look at this wiki. We could get a deeper pullback down too.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we can retest the 145 area now. Yeah, overall looking pretty murky, man. It's just too much up and down. Yeah, on a 1 hour chart, not looking bullish at all too. So I don't know. I may be taking an unnecessary risk here on this trade, to be honest. I've got 14 contracts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right,
Order
guys, I'm
filled.
down to 10. Down to
Order
8.
filled. Order filled.
Oh
Order
my god,
filled.
I exited that trade, guys. Man, it's so freaking annoying. It's just not going anywhere. Oh my god. Welcome to Globex Asia. All right, let me just end the poll there. Oh, by the way, yeah, you guys asked me to reopen. Guys, I reopened my entries. So go ahead and type in now. And don't forget to smack the like, guys. Let's get the likes to over 180 to start getting through that picking the winner. Guys, if you guys don't mind, let's just do it. Thank you guys for your support. If you guys want to love. Wow, look at that, guys. Pull back here, 124 now. I reopened, guys. You guys are asking me to reopen, so I did that now. Don't forget to type in exclamation tiger to get yourself a chance to participate on this with 1 ticket. right? Everybody's gonna get one ticket, no matter how many times you type in. So don't try to type in more than once. Just type in once, you get one ticket, and you give yourself a chance, right? And guys, don't forget to smack the like as well, guys. Let's get the likes to over 180, right? That's what I'm gonna call out the winner. Oh yeah, so last week on Friday I got a payout from Funded Next as well, so that got me to over so far $22,000, guys. Remember last month, in the month of October, I took $24,000 a payout, well, a little less than 25k. I'm now 22,000. As we sit, we're sitting at $22,000 a payout so far. So you guys can take a look at what firms I'm taking the payouts right now. So that's there right now, $22,000 a payout for the month of November, and we are only halfway through. We still have another 2 weeks to go, 2.5 weeks to go. And so far, I think we get to 35 in my opinion, but again, I think we get to 35. I'll be honest. We'll give it a try. I'll do my level best and try to get there.
Order filled.
Are we gonna get a balance or what now, guys? I've got one contract. I'm like, you know, what the hell is this market trying to do, man? Really annoyed. Yeah, it looks like it wants to chop here, I guess. I guess that's what is this market trying to do. Yeah, you gotta have a little exclamation before you type in Tiger, by the way, to get yourself a ticket too. Don't forget. Yeah, I think it's too much of a risk to try and take a stab at this trade right now. It's really hard. We're in no man's land now, so I don't wanna just blindly just get in. Yeah, I'm looking for a setup now. I'm looking for a setup, but I'm just not getting any of that, right? That's the problem. We're kind of like chopping in this range too, so maybe it could be a little bit of a bottoming process, but on a 1 hour chart though, sorry, on a 30 minutes chart, it doesn't look that great either. So I'm kind of a little confused. So I'm just gonna have to kind of wait and see what this market does. I've got one micro contract to just kind of like test the water. Yeah, I still have one. You know, I like to have, like, I want to be in a trade sometimes to kind of make better decision. You know, there's a huge difference for me when you are actually in a trade, even if it's one micro, versus not being in a trade and making this trading decision. I usually do a lot better when I'm kind of like stepping in with one micro to test the water and see the flow, like how, you know, how it's gonna go. You're on full tilt, full port. Oh man, we got a lot of longs here today. I don't know, man. So we try to get a bounce off the VWAP here twice now. So we got a nice little wick here as well on a 30 minutes chart too. So I like to see the 155 area kind of hold, and then maybe I can try to hop on a long. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna try to look for a retest. We're popping over 148, and then level seems like it's kind of holding. All right, guys, I'm waiting now. Let's see how we kind of unfold. Are we gonna be able to hold this 145 area now? If we can, I'm gonna enter long. All right, man. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I think this is hold. I think this is holding.
Order filled.
I'm not in a full size just yet. All right, guys, I'm patiently waiting. All right, guys, I'm with 25 contracts now. I'm looking for that pop here back into the 180, guys. Let's see if we get it.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 8 contracts now. I'm down to 8 contracts, guys. We are getting a nice little bounce, man. What a nice trade. I like that trade, guys. I really like that. I was patient, waiting for that. I was looking for that hold, guys, in that 155. We held. I took a stab, and we got it. Woo, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm going to take one more off the table right now.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm going to look for a bounce back into the 186 now. The retest of the high, guys. That's the initial high. Nice trade. Now counts now back on track here. Holy mochino. All right, so now we're getting a rejection here, guys. Oh dear. Oh, 1 second, guys. I want to take some profits off the table if I can. That would have been a little bit of a dead cat, a pullback. I want to be down to 4 contracts, guys. I'm down to 4 now. I'm down to 4. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this, guys. Now, let's see what happens to this market. All right, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys are here, if you haven't done so, please take a few seconds of your time to do that. Smack the like, guys. We'll get our giveaway here momentarily. I'm gonna close the wow, look at that bounce. Holy mochino, look at that, guys. We are ripping here. Oh man, I'm gonna take one more off the table now. Wow, look at that bounce, man. Look at this wick, guys. It's like 100 points pullback and 100 points bounce. Like, what the heck is going on here in this market? Oh wow. Woo. Yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough to trade, especially with the big position size, man. Look at this, man. Are we actually trading Globex ASIA? I'm a little confused now. What time is it right here? Oh, it's still Globex ASIA. That was right. Oh, we are ripping. We are getting through that, guys. 1 second.
Order
All right, I'm gonna exit this trade. I exited that trade, guys. I exited that trade. I'm gonna look for a little pullback down. Maybe we could get a little bit of a rejection of that pivot now. A little bit of a rejection of the pivot. Let's see. Maybe a pullback into the 195 area could be a nice little support zone, right here, here, and here, and here, right? And then I'm gonna look for a bounce back up again. It looks pretty bouncy, guys. Overall, I don't know. Well, I don't know how long this is gonna last, of course, but let's see. I'm looking for a little pullback. Let's see if we get it. Oh my god, look at this market. The market opened 30 minutes wick and held nice melt. Yeah, I know, man. That was crazy. This market is incredible. It's an insane volatility that we are actually getting today, guys. I kind of got lucky. I kind of got away with this trades that I was kind of getting into. Right, this is not the kind of a day that I should be entering with 20 micro contracts, especially during Globex ASIA with 120 points minimum of up and down. Incredible. Well, I would prefer a choppy Globex Asia, to be honest, man. I'm kind of more used to trading Globex Asia with chop than get a. This is what, guys, man. We actually kissed $25,000 20 area, and now we are literally 200 points up. During Globex Asia, guys, 200 points we are up today from the low to trough. I don't know, man. I don't even know what to tell you guys. 200 points bounce from the low, that 20 area, incredible. YM is still red, really? I did not take a look at the YM, but let's take a look at the gold here for a second. The gold's kind of chopping, not doing anything so far, so it's like, okay, well, probably better off to trade NQ, I guess, at this point. But guys, man, I think we've got to be really careful, right? Because this is definitely not the kind of a day we want to be too aggressive, because as soon as you try to go like 2-3 mini contracts or 20-30 micro, I think this is when you blow accounts, right? I think it's very risky. I'm surprised that we are actually getting a lot of volatility here today. Like, what the heck is going on now? Like, Globex Asia is the new New York in Asia. Incredible, guys. It's an insane balance that we just got. So, well, I mean, it's not a bad thing, but I'm just saying, it's just that I'm kind of used to more choppy Globex Asia. This is crazy, though. What an insane move here. The bulls were scared about Japan GDP. Well, the GDP wasn't that great either. So, guys, but we are getting a bounce off that low there. That was really all we had, was 214 bounce off that level. Oh my god, guys, this is unreal. We're trying to get a bounce back into 237. I still cannot take a stab at this trade, guys, man. I just still can't do that. That's a major level of resistance now at that 234, right? Yeah, major level of resistance there, 234. Oh my god, we are trying to pierce through that level. That's a scary right, so here I'm gonna draw it again. This is crazy, guys, man. This is crazy. Yeah, I think eventually we try to get a bounce, right, this market. But this is sick, though. Is anybody caught that big move to the upside? It's gonna keep ripping. Well, just be careful, I would say. I'm trying to go long on a pullback here as well myself, so we'll see, guys. It may even not even give you a chance. It may not even give you a chance to go long. I'm like, okay, well, I'm looking for a pullback. Never gonna do that today. Oh my god, this is gonna go. Well, I've got a whole bunch of limit orders placed in that 185 area, and we are right now sitting like 50 points above that. A few minutes ago, we were sitting at 185. Yeah, scalpish. Yeah, if you guys are green now, might as well just walk away, man. It's and now give the profits back to the market. You don't want to be doing that. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback here still. I'm just not getting any of that right now, so it's like, you know, I'm not sure. Kind of a little confused with this market that's a little broken as you speak. That was a nasty pullback all the way down. I wonder how we are getting this sort of volatility during Globex Asia, man. This is like one of the probably the biggest volatility we've actually witnessed in quite a while for Globex Asia standard, right? I haven't seen this sort of a volatility in a long time, man. I mean, of course, we've seen that pierce through, like, you know what, maybe 150 to 300 points move to one direction. But that was a really nice trending day, but not kind of like today where we got a big massive pullback, and then the massive pullback was bought and a massive bounce, right? And back and forth again for a while, and then And then now we're getting kind of a trending day only now, but I mean, it's a pretty significant volatility for sure. Yeah, I mean, only if we knew that this is what it's gonna do today, then I would have been better prepared, right? I wasn't kind of expecting this sort of a Lucid direct style makes more sense on 150s. Yeah, I mean, Lucid, I'm still kind of waiting for Lucid to come out with a better offer than what we have, right? Not just Lucid, but I'm kind of waiting for Tradify. I would like to load in some 150k accounts, and I'm willing to pay like 170, but I don't know, man. Anything beyond that, I'm like, you know what? It's gonna be hard. I do not want to pay anything more than 170 for a 150k account. I kind of like the 150k account with Tradify. They got a better drawdown buffer as well, so versus Lucid, and of course you're gonna end up paying the same price. Might as well go with the account with a little more buffer on it, right? And I think Tradify is probably a better one, I guess, for now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. And if you guys are here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe as well. Onto my backup channel, we also got the main channel as well. I'm gonna share the main channel link, and also we got a Discord link as well. I'm gonna share right now as I speak as well. If you guys are new, welcome, guys. Great to see y'all here today. Here is my Discord link. You guys can hop on there. We got a lot of great traders banking every day. And where's my Discord? Not Discord link. Where's my main channel? And a link. Oh my god. A link to my main channel as well, guys. All right, so we're not getting any kind of a pullback here. We're kind of like a trending higher with no any significant pullbacks. So I guess I may have to ride the long here. I want to look for that quick pullback here if you can, and try to hop on the long here, guys. Yeah, I'd like to get this account back to green status if I can right now, but no pullback here so far. We're not getting any kind of a pullback here, guys. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see a little pullback down, maybe at least into the 210, 215. That'll probably be a good place to kind of try to enter long. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move my limit orders, right? I'm too far away. I don't know if we are gonna pull back all the way back down into that level 182, so that's all I can do is kind of like try to be closer to where the price is right now. We got a little bit of a pivot. I don't know if we are going to just get a bounce right now. Maybe get a little pullback, right? The price kind of looks like a little exhausted here. So maybe a pullback down into the 200 area kind of makes more sense for me to try and go long. We're kind of overextended to the upside as well. So yeah, I'm not long. I'm not short. I've got no open positions right now. Yeah, it's kind of difficult. The opening was really hard, man. The opening was really tough for me. Whoa, man. Up, down, like 100 points, pull back, 100 points bounce. I'm like, whoa, that's tough. Really tough. But let's try to see if we can bank something out of this trade, guys. I've been patient enough. So let's see if we can actually make some good trades. We've definitely been trying to be patient here, guys. So that would be a nice little target area, 290. 290, yeah, 290 would be a nice little target. Yeah, I agree. But are we just gonna go straight in one line though? Like, can we not expect some kind of a pullback here? I'm gonna be surprised to get a pullback, right? Looks pretty strong though. I wonder what's making Globex Asia move like this today. I wonder what sort of a news is there, because Japanese GDP was not good. Like, it's down, it's negative right now. Well, the forecast was minus 2.4, but now it's minus 1.8, so it kind of got better, but still not a good report coming out from Japan. And I really wonder if that's really what kind of moved this market now. It's I don't know, man. We're already 0.5% up in this market, and we haven't even got to Nvidia. Weird.
Order filled.
All right, guys, my orders are starting to get filled as we speak. We're getting a little bit of a pullback down. Let's see if we can actually get a little more extended move to the downside, back into the 200 area, before we start to get some kind of a bounce back up again. So maybe like what Seller Days is saying, maybe this could be a little bit of a celebration, or say buy the rumor, sell the rip. Buy the rumor, and what else again? I forgot. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's right. Buy the rumor, sell the news, kind of a thing. Yeah, it's we'll see.
Order filled.
Yeah, my orders are getting filled. We're getting a slow little pullback here down, a slow grind to the downside. Wow, that's it, man. That's all we got right now. And that's the small little pullback that we got right now, guys. Incredible. So the pullback into the 218 was really all we had. I do not want to chase this. I still think maybe we try to bring it down to 200 before we get a balance. Maybe a pullback here into the 200, guys. All right. It's tough call. Yeah, of course. They're, what is it called again? Yeah, I'm working to build a take profit trader account again, so I've taken $3,200 from take profit trader accounts, and then and I ended up blowing all the accounts that I had. So not a good way to, but that's part of my plan, right? My idea on how I play my accounts is like even with Top Step, right? You guys know I had 4 Top Step accounts, and then I ended up blowing 2. But just keep in mind, you know, I'm trying to take as much as I can out of that account balance. And then the reason why I end up blowing these accounts are because, of course, we are back down to a very low account balance, right? So I had $4,000 of profit. I took $2,000 off the table. We're down to 2, and I took another $1,500. The account's down to like $800 of drawdown, and that's why I end up blowing that account, because I'm okay to do that. I've taken quite a lot. So far. Putting things into perspective, Top Step, I've already taken over $5,000 of profit, right? And Take Profit Trader over $3,000 as well. So I'll build it again. I'll try to see if we can actually get to a lot more payout. Hopefully we get to the target over 35,000. We'll see. I'd love to see myself get to like 40k by before end of the month. We'll try level best, guys. All right, so here with 2 micros. All right, let's see if we're gonna get a nice little breakout, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
At least my friend of mine is gonna be happy with this bounce tomorrow morning. Or maybe maybe it's right now. Korea, it's in the morning right now in Korea. So yeah, he's probably gonna be like, "Oh man, I'm up." When you reset a pro account, do you still got rebuilding buffer again? No, you don't have the rebuilding buffer when you reset the pro account. I've never reset a pro account ever again, ever in my lifetime. So. But I know that there's no buffer on it though. You start like you just reset the pro account. You get the pro account again, but your buffer is not there, right? So you gotta have to start from scratch all over again. You gotta build a buffer, and that's just to get you to the funded account. So I've never reset pro accounts before, so I don't know. Alright guys, I'll exit that trade right there. Oh man, it's really hard to kind of get a setup here, guys, man. It's been tough. Oh, you got a real conviction goal with 1349. You got 2 micros. I think 2 micros are actually pretty good. God, man, look at this though. It's kind of like so wonky, this price action. Yeah, Kevin Kaufman. Oh, in your opinion? Okay, well, I'm assuming you're talking about your pro account. I mean, yeah. I mean, for me, it's not worth it. I know a lot of traders kind of disagree, but it's not worth it for me. Unless if you're making lots of money, right? That's a different conversation, maybe. If you're making like $20,000-$30,000 off take profit trader accounts in a single month, then resetting 5 pro accounts, like how much is that gonna be? Do the math. 650 times 5. Maybe I don't know, a little less than 5K. So. You know, if you made 30K and you're spending 5K to reset, I think that's definitely doable. Way better, I guess, right? But yeah, it's 650 times, I don't know, 650 times 5. So yeah, $3,200. It kind of makes sense if you are taking at least 20,000 on take profit, like through take profit trader alone. But if you're taking like $7,000-$8,000 and you're trying to I mean, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to me. But of course, a lot of my fellow traders actually disagree, which is fine. We all have different opinions, right? All right, guys, we are getting a nice little bounce, man, but it's so, oh my god, man, I'm just incredibly frustrated with this. It looks like it wants us to pop here, guys. or maybe not. I don't know. I've got 3 micros. Yeah, a lot of you guys are having a lot of conviction that we get a bounce in this market, which is crazy and good in a way. This market is a little weird. It is currently, it's a little weird. I'll be honest, it's a little weird. So that's why I'm kind of like, you know, you guys know I love trading. You guys know how much I love getting to trades, but I feel so like I feel uncomfortable trying to scale into my trades. Even it's just not been. I don't know, it's weird. All right, guys. It looks like we are kind of holding, right? It looks like we're kind of trying to hold. I hope we don't just get a dump like that all of a sudden from out of nowhere. Yeah, man, it's definitely been a crazy wild Asia today, guys. It's I got a little lucky, I guess. Kind of survived, but today was definitely a kind of a day that we could easily see. Obviously, this is the problem, right? As soon as I entered, you know, we get a pullback. Very annoying. Oh my god. There we go. We are getting that pullback now. Maybe we end up holding this too. No. The price action right now feels. Well, let's try to just be back in green on this account. Yeah, I'm really trying to be patient, right? I only got 3 micro, but I mean, I'm really trying to be patient here. Yeah, I'm one down. I'm one down. I'm two up, and this is an account right now. It's kind of like probably have to just wait and see how this thing turned out to be. But I'd like to be back in the green on this account, so they'll put me 3-1, 3-win, one down, one account. Maybe it's a good thing I kind of got smoked on my first trade of the day. Obviously, we were not expecting that sort of a pullback. That was a pretty significant one. Wild pullback. Oh my god, that was like literally over 100 points pullback. And there goes the 200 points bounce off that low. So that's crazy. All right, guys. Anyways, I'm here right now. We're trying to trade. I'm getting some good trade. Let's try to see if we can actually get a nice little pop here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if you can pop over 240 now, guys, man. What a chop zone. After the big wild move, that's the problem. You get everything during Globex Asia. You get big moves. You get the choppiest day ever during Globex Asia. And you get this biggest day of the day. 200 points move. Incredible, guys. Incredible. What was that, guys? Yeah, I'm not sure what was that chop that we just had a few minutes ago.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
God, it's so hard to gauge where it's gonna go, man. Incredible. Very difficult price action so far. Not even trending anymore. It's really chop within this range. $240. Slow grind to the downside, is that what it is? Or no, we'll try to be a little patient here. Yeah, I'm trying to be patient. Let's try to see if I can actually get into a decent trade on this bad boy right now. We'll see, guys. Oh. Yeah, we're now getting rejection, back and forth in this chop world. There's a little bit of a break in the structure too now. God, my God, my God.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I
Order
did that
filled.
trade. Oh my God, guys, man. It's so frustrating today. Incredible. Tough to trade this Globex ASIA sometimes. I guess this is what I'm getting right now. Crazy. Crazy. Oh man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I exited that trade. Didn't have the little juice that we needed, so. Yeah, I kind of feel like I'm wasting my time and energy trying to get into that trade. We kind of held at 210. I wonder if you're gonna get a bounce now. Let's see. I've got $600 drawdown on this. Yeah, it's too I don't know, man. I don't know how to explain this Globex ASIA. It's just doing its thing right now, right? It's really hard. So either we downsize our contract. I mean, obviously I wasn't downsizing. I was trying to take my chances here. So I went a little aggressive, but it's tough. I think it's stab, of course, but look, now we're getting a bounce, and that bounce could fail and pull back here all the way down again. Watch. Let's assume that I went long. Let's say, oh, StockTiger went long 224. Let's see if we actually end up holding that now. I went long. Let's just assume I went long at 224. And I was kind of looking for that retest at 220. Let's see if you get a bounce now. Yeah, that's a nice strong bounce off that 200 area. But again, now we could kind of chop here. The problem is it looks like it's gonna chop, and then next thing you know, this thing just bounces like 40-50 points, which obviously comes as a big surprise for a lot of us, right? That's the problem. And that's a difficult thing to trade the Globex ASIA, right? It does stuff before without even us knowing that, you know, that we obviously did not expect this kind of a bounce, a V-shaped bounce, not even a V-shaped bounce. We just literally bounced like 200 points from that 25,100 area. Like, it did not even stop, like just kept going. And there we go, guys. We got a rejection of that level now. Looks at the wick on the hourly chart and it tells you that it wants to go up. It does wants to go up, but you can also get a pullback here too, right? We got 200 points pullback here all the way down into the $25,000 area. Initially, right at the open, so it's definitely a silly market. I agree, Justin, right, man. It's really tough. I don't know, it's hard to kind of make out what this market's gonna do, to be honest. I guess I just gotta be a little patient and just make sure I don't screw up. So we kind of retested that 210 area. We are trying to get a bounce. It looks bouncy now. I don't know. Looks bouncy, but we could just literally retest the low. Oh, by the way, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway now. I'm gonna close the entry. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna call out the winner now, guys. I completely forgot about this. Sorry, guys. Thank you for your patience. And here I am. We are gonna call out the winner, guys. Looks like we're trying to get a bounce now, guys. One second, guys. I'm gonna try and long here. Damn, guys. Oh my god. Feels like a confirmation to me, but okay. Oh my god, it's gonna go now. Wow, incredible. Incredible. Oh my god, it's too late now. Ah, man. Frustrating. No, I can't be chasing this, can I? Alright, we'll go ahead and call out the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are here on this giveaway. Alright, guys. Zogol Gel. Jogol Jag. Guys, Jogol Zeg. What the heck, man? Am I pronouncing this right? Zogol Z. Are you here? I'm gonna put a timer, guys. It's a 3 minutes. Okay, Zogon Z. You gotta be here. I'm gonna put a timer now. 3 minutes, guys. If you're not here, we're gonna do a redraw. Yeah, so I've a little over 2 minutes now. Putting a timer. If it's not there, then we're gonna have to redo it again. Zogonzai. Zogonzai. Hi. You gotta be here. We still have. Oh my god, we have over 400 viewers now. Oh man. Yeah, man, I missed that. I now I can't be chasing this, can I? I can't be chasing this, man. Oh my god, I missed the whole move, and it's like trying to get a bounce. And I try to go long now. Guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna pull back, right? You guys want to watch? Well, maybe. Well, I guess it's gonna pull back here before I even entered. So 1.5 minutes, guys. If Zongor Zai is not here, then we're gonna redo it again. Nice, Zen 25, man. Great stuff, man. Hey guys, if you guys are in green today, good job, man. You guys did an excellent job. This market was definitely not easy. It looked easy, but it's really not, because the market moved 150 on an average up and down. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be tough. Man, look at that bounce, man. This market definitely has a lot of strength. All right, guys, let's try to see if I can actually go long on a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna be frustrated if he ends up pulling back down. Guys, the timer is on. We still have 23 seconds for Jongor Zai to confirm that you are here. If not, then we're gonna have to redo it again.
Order filled.
13 more seconds, guys. Bongol Zai. FYI, if you're not here, it's Capito. Guys, it's 3 minutes is gone now, so it's not here anymore, right? So we're gonna have to do it again. We're gonna have to do it again, guys. All right, we're gonna do it again, everyone. I'm gonna resume the entry. So the winner is gone, is not here anymore. So no, you don't have to re-enter the I'm gonna resume the entries here. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute to enter. If you've already done, then you guys are already in there, right? So you don't have to do it again. But anybody who are new here right now can add some more if you guys want to.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I've got 4 contracts now. I wonder if you're gonna rip through this now and try to see if we could actually get a bounce back into 287 now. 30 points away from where we are, so we could get a bounce, guys. I kind of like the idea for a bounce, but again, yeah, I mean, obviously anything is possible as you speak, right? But that's a lot of strength here on a bounce, guys, man. Holy man, I was definitely not expecting this kind of a move during Globex Asia, right? Not easy. Yeah, not a good. Well, I don't know if it's not a good day, but the market was definitely tough. That sort of a move that we got, it's tough to kind of survive, right? When you have like 150 points move up and down, especially during Globex Asia, you're not kind of prepared, right? So that's when you kind of get hurt. But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. I'm long here at 245. I'm thinking about adding, but I don't know. It's just not getting that conviction. I need some nice little follow through here, but so far we're kind of like chopping in this range like crazy. All right, I'm just gonna exit this trade right now.
Order filled.
God, man, like it gives you a little bit of hope, and then it's like boop. You know what I mean? All right, guys, I'm gonna redo it again. Let's forget about the trade for now. I'm gonna close the trade, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna call out the winner again. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys are here. Cal Bisky, I'm gonna give you 3 minutes again to let me know you are here. Cal Bisky, guys. Cal Bisky, you got 3 minutes to confirm that you are here, right? That's an easier name to pronounce. Cal Bisky, I like that. Kelbisky in the house. Oh my god, Kelbisky is here. All right, I gotta call. Excuse me. All right, Kelbisky, I'm gonna have to have you DM me once the streaming is over on our Discord, right? And just make sure we go through the verification process. Oh yeah, Paul Anthony. I'm not sure what to do if you are in the bathroom. That's why I'm giving 3 minutes. It was 2 minutes before. We kind of extended to 3 minutes now. But I do kind of give everybody a heads up that hey, we are gonna call out the winner pretty soon here. We should have your stream on even if you're on the All right, guys, we are getting a little bit of a bounce, guys. Man, this is a lot of bad wicks, guys. I don't even think I may want to kind of save this account to try to see if I can trade back tomorrow to kind of like try to get back on track, because this price action right now is just not giving me any kind of a conviction to go long or to even short. It's too choppy. Yes, overall, it's kind of like a nice, beautiful trending day. but it's still, yeah, I mean, you're gonna probably have to wait all day to kind of get that direction to move, right? It took literally about an hour to see this kind of a move up again right from here, right? So it's, yeah, we could get a pullback here into 240 before we get a bounce, but again, this thing could just keep getting a pullback here for all you know as well. So I don't know, I don't really have it looks bouncy to the upside though, right? Overall, I don't know, man. This is a pretty strong bounce, by the way. Over 200 points bounce, guys. It's not small. It's not a small bounce that we actually got today. So incredible. I don't know if this is gonna be a continuation into tomorrow. Maybe. It's a big bounce that we got, right? I mean, according to Globex Asia standard, I mean, this is a huge, massive bounce we got. $25,000 20 into the 250 area. And that's not a small amount, guys. It's not a small amount. I wonder if we continue moving to the upside into tomorrow morning. That's crazy. We may end up getting a huge volatility, a pullback, and a huge pullback, and a huge bounce back up again to fill the gap first. Incredible. Yeah, it's a difficult day to trade for sure. Ah. A little pullback here, and that's rejection off that 250, 256.
Order filled.
Yeah, I kind of went short on this trade. Say I'm looking for a pullback down. I don't know if we're gonna do that though. Just a small little quick pullback here back into 230. My hard stop here 250. 250. This 250 area. I don't know, that's where my stop is gonna be. Let's see, looks like we're getting a bounce. Let's try to move this. Yeah, I mean, overall, I think still pretty bullish, right? So if you get a little pullback down.
Order filled.
This could be a little bit of a risky trade for sure. But I'm taking a stab at this trade, guys. We'll see. 230, 10 points move down, my target.
Order filled.
Let's try to put a tighter stop here.
Order filled.
Once again, Carol, congrats for winning the Funded Next 25K Legacy account. I'm going to talk to you right after the stream is over. So watch for my message. All right, guys, let's see if we get a pullback here. We get a bounce. We just cracked underneath the EMAs, so maybe we get a little bit of a shift in the direction. Maybe a pullback and try to retest the 205 area. That'll be really nice if we can do that. But again, this kind of feels like here right now. So maybe a little bit of a deeper pullback down, maybe another 30 points. I don't know. And that would mean pullback into the next EMA support. That would be 220 area. So maybe something like this, maybe here. Right, we had this one here, so maybe we get something like that here as well. So we're gonna have to kind of wait and see, but I'm gonna take a little stab here, try to see if I can actually grab a little piece of a pullback here down into the 227, and then if we get a bounce, it's fine. Bulk of my positions will be off on a pullback down into 227, so I'd like to add to my short position, but again, I mean, if it reverses back up again, then I'll be screwed, right? So I don't want to. I want to make sure my risk is very minimal, because I want to kind of save this account so I can trade back tomorrow.
Order filled.
Because if I'm only down to like $1,000, that's easily I can make a comeback tomorrow. But if I'm down a lot more than this, then it's kind of really difficult, right? It's almost as good as just blow and just restart all over again. And look at that little bounce. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what this market's trying to do, man. It's kind of playing dirty. That's all I can say right now. It's playing dirty. I like to add to my short position, to be honest, man. It's like the last thing I want is a bounce, like a crazy bounce, right? We've seen that plenty of times over and over again, so we could see that. And I'm like, you know, I don't want that happening to me. I would love to, man. Should I take a stab at this? Look at that bounce we're getting now, right? The 1 hour 30 minutes chart candle looks so far, I don't know, we'll I'm gonna exit this trade, man.
Order filled.
God, it's is anybody trading gold? Let's take a look at the gold here. Oh my god, the gold's trying to get a bounce, I think. Oh, you trade silver. The gold trying to get a bounce, guys. The gold trying to get a bounce. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to call it. Yeah, this market's too choppy. I don't know if this market really wants to make any kind of commitment to make direction and move right now, at least. Maybe a little bit later, I guess tonight. But for now, I guess this market want to chop. So I'm gonna have to walk away. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. I hope you all having a great rest of the day. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, everybody. Thank you guys once again for being here today. Congrats to the winner, Carol. And everybody, thank you for smashing the like, everybody, as well. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback here in NQ. Anyways, guys, thank you guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex Asia. Everybody have a great rest of the night. God bless you and your family. Take care and thank you and peace. Thank you guys. Final countdown. Have a great night. Trader 07. Have a great night. Digital Nuke. Good night. Zen 25. ASI Fly, man. Have a great night. Fiber Splice Gold. Thank you. Everybody, have a great rest of the night. Thank you guys. Peace out.